So hello and welcome everybody. Myself CMS Sanket Pandit. So many were requesting to make a final video regarding examination, give some tips to clear the examination, final tips. So yes, I have created some 10 tips which will surely help you to clear the examination, and it will guide you how to appear the examination, what can be done, everything I will tell you within 5 minutes. So if you find the video useful, please hit a like so that it motivates me to even make more videos. So there are few tips from my side. First thing, I would request everybody, now hardly 10 days are left for the examination. So rather than you are studying, you focus on revising. So now don't touch any new topic. Make sure you revise whatever you have already studied. डू नॉट टच एनी न्यू टॉपिक. जितना पढ़ाई हुआ है उतने पे ही फोकस करो. 80% पढ़ाई हुआ है तो कोशिश करो कि वो 80% 100% के बराबर हो जाए, रेदर देन 100% 80% के बराबर. इट मीन्स if you have 10 chapters and if you have completed only 8 chapters, make sure that 8 chapters are completed 100% rather than completing 10 chapters 50 60 70%. जितना करो पूरा अच्छे से करो. Third thing, read MCQs. If you want to read my MCQs, the link is given in the description box. These MCQs come 20 mark for the examination. When you do a total, it comes for 80 plus marks in one group. If you do total for both the groups, more than 160 marks it comes. So it will surely help you in all to clear the examination. Like 80 marks will be in your hand and 200 minus 80 you have to score that much. 120 marks की ही पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेंगी. So this is a strategy to develop confidence. So you can read the MCQs. The link is in the description box. Start typing at least 1 hour. Now as the exams has approached, please make sure you are practicing at least 1 hour daily for typing, so that till exams from last 10-12 days you will practice typing and it will be just like a routine. आप 10-12 दिन रोज एक एक घंटा प्रैक्टिस करो, फिर एग्जाम में जाइए तो आपको लगेगा ये तो मैं रोज ही करता हूँ. तो यू विल नॉट फाइंड एनीथिंग न्यू. Study 3 hours when your exam is there. If you are in final 2 PM to 5 PM, if you are in inter 10 to 1 या 9 to 12 जो भी है, तो make sure that at this time you are studying, or else 2 से 5 सोने की आदत होती है और फिर एग्जाम में आपको नींद आएगी rather than solving the paper. So make sure you do this thing. This will surely help you a lot. One thing, you get a chance to appear the examination after 6 months. So make sure you hit this chance very hard, very clearly. बहुत अच्छे से पूरा का पूरा लिख के आना. ये चांस गया तो 6 महीने रुकना पड़ता है. तो अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रेविटी. 6 महीने से रुकने के बाद आपको ये चांस मिला है, तो डोंट वेस्ट दिस चांस, मेक फुल यूज ऑफ इट. As far as admit cards are concerned, 20 जून तक आ जाना चाहिए. By 20 जून the admit card should be released. Again I prefer to star mark. नहीं आया तो मेरे को मत blame करना. Hopefully institute will release. Whatever assumptions you write, like if you are rounding off up to 4 decimal, please write assumption after your answer. It is assumed that ITC is not available on the said product. It is assumed that whatever is there, freight is not incurred, or freight is not added in the cost, or it rounding off up to 4 decimal. तो जो भी आप कर रहे हो, please write assumptions कि yes, I have rounded off up to 4 decimal. I have assumed that the ITC is not available. It will help you to save your marks. This is very important tip. I also used to follow this in finals and inter. If you face any problem, any technical glitch, it shouldn't happen. In case it happens, I am showing you, you take a screenshot, immediately you call them, you email them, you SMS them, you telephone them, these people, that I am so and so, my registration number is so and so, and I have faced technical glitch in such and such a paper or such and such thing. Please immediately mail them, SMS them, call them. सब कर लेना. इट विल हेल्प यू. नहीं तो मैंने तो एग्जाम हेल्प डेस्क को किया था, ये नहीं आया. मेक श्योर यू ईमेल देम ऑल इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. मेल, फोटो, कॉल, एवरीथिंग यू डू. इट शुडंट हैपन, बट इन केस इट हैपन्स. लास्ट टिप, सॉल्व. डोंट ट्राई टू सॉल्व 100% पेपर. सॉल्व 90% पेपर, बट मेक श्योर जितना आप कर रहे हो you are pinpoint, absolutely clear, no vague answers, to the point लिख रहे हो rather than सब थोड़ा थोड़ा लिख रहे हो. सो मेक श्योर कि आप 80 मार्क्स का ही पेपर सॉल्व करो, बट इतने अच्छे से करो कि उसमें से आपको 70 आ जाए, 60 आ जाए, rather than 100 मार्क्स का पेपर थोड़ा थोड़ा सॉल्व करके आपको 40 भी ना आए. तो मेक श्योर वॉट एवर यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग, attempt it pinpoint, crystal clear, without any vague answers, so it will help you. So yes, these are my 10 tips. I hope you find the video very useful. Within 5 minutes I have tried to cover each and everything. और भी आपके कोई tips suggestion है तो please provide it in the comment box so that everybody gets benefited. And thank you so much, all the very best. I hope and pray that you all clear the examination with flying colors and become CMA. If you are in intermediate, you come in CMA finals. This is it. Thank you so much, all the very best. Take care. When admit card will come, I will make a video, and this is it from my side. Bye bye, all the best.